is the same small stretch of canal I did last week. Another full bag of beer cans, beer bottles, empty drug bags, loads of tissues this time for some reason. No evidence of anybody feeding ducks, but here they are. Cute, aren't they? Yeah, we just cleared that for you. Yeah, so I'm happy with that, it looks nice. Back to my car, another good haul.